I'm gonna try to line this up for you guys. Fortunately, I don't have a cameraman, so I'm gonna do this all myself. What I did was I went out and bought 4-inch PVC pipe and then some furniture dollies. And what I did was I turned my Slayer Max 12.5 upside down on a set of sawhorses, and then I kind of measured out where these things fit best on there. And then I initially screwed them on with a just regular drywood screws, and saw what I thought about my measurements. That's why you see there's a difference there. You see little holes. Hoping I'm not making you guys dizzy. So once I finally decided where I wanted them set and where it rolled really smooth, I went ahead and drilled them out. Then I used nut certs in there because I have a nut cert kit. You could try it another way. I just had no idea how I was going to get a nut way down on the inside of that 4-inch pipe. So I went with nut certs, and then in the side, I cut holes in there, and I'll show you why that's there in a minute when I'm through. That's going to be for a strap. I'm going to start assembling it, and I'll show you the assembled product. Here's what it looks like completed. I sprayed a ton of 3M adhesive on these tubes, and I just couldn't get the carpet to stick. Not sure what that's all about, but I tucked a lot of it in. There's almost a foot tucked in each side, so it's not going anywhere. And then I used some Gorilla Tape. We'll see how it holds up. And then I have my straps on here. I basically drilled a little slit in the side of the PVC pipes, and I'll show you how this works in a minute. Like I said, I don't have a cameraman. I'm going to actually slide my kayak, straddle it right over this, and then strap it down, and it should be good to go. We'll see. All right, I got it on there, straddled it, got my strap cinched down. I'm going to stow the legs, and we'll see how she does. There it is with the legs stowed. Yeah, I forgot to flip my phone sideways, so all these videos are going to be upright, but it is what it is. Let's see if I can pull it in. We'll actually have the phone roll and see how easy it is. It rolls pretty easy. Let's see. And this is the lip I get hung up on, but I'm thinking now that I have it strapped, I should just be able to pick it up and pull. We'll see. Oh yeah. Yeah, it works pretty good. Should just be able to pull it up in here. And then let's get the back in. Kind of hard to do with a phone, but it's not really that hard. There we go. She rolled in. Like I said, I had a cameraman that'd look a little more smooth, but that's it, stowed pretty good. And then I could just roll it out. Ideally, when I get ready to hit the river, clear some of my junk out of the way. I want to not have to pull my riding lawnmower every time. So now I should just be able to pull this thing out. Roll it right out here in the grass and put the legs on and undo my straps and take her out. So I'd say mission accomplished. Got any questions, let me know. That's your dog.